The scientist and inventor Alexander Graham Bell said, "Sometimes we stare so long at a door that is closing that we see too late the one that is open." With all the work that's been put into a project, in the end, project managers must ensure no pieces have been left undone. In this lesson, we'll finish up our discussion of the 5 process groups with the last one, the closing process group. It's not unusual to have outstanding actions or loose ends at the end of a project that will be addressed during the closing processes. The 2 processes in the closing process group must be included within the project management plan and are considered part of the project. This is also when any contracts that have been used during the project lifecycle get closed out and formal acceptance and approval of the deliverable is obtained from the project stakeholders. The processes in the closing process group are also used to close projects or phases that have been terminated. In some cases, stakeholders may determine that the cost to benefit ratio on this project is just not working out the way they wanted it to, so they decide to kill it. As we discussed in the project life cycle, as in life, projects are born, they grow, and one way or another, good or bad, they must end. Whether a project is successful or not, the project manager must record the lessons learned from the project. It's important to keep this information retrievable so the knowledge gained from the project can be used in other projects. At the close of a project, an organization may have collected new tools, purchased new systems, and upgraded old equipment and programs. These organizational process assets must be updated, documented, and archived along with the other historical documents. While closing the project manager conducts team member assessments. This information is valuable to the organization and the individual team members because it lets them know how well they did and what they can improve on. No matter how great a team member is, nobody's perfect. Once a project is properly closed, this may be cause for celebration or just a big sigh of relief for the project manager and the team. It's important for the project manager to celebrate this milestone with the team. Celebrating the closing of a project is a great way to show everyone involved in the project how much they were valued while completing the work of the project. However it ends, it definitely means that the project phase has been completed, the project has been finished, or it was canceled. The closing process group incorporates the final processes used to verify that all the processes in the first 4 process groups have been totally completed. Project closure is an important part of the overall project lifecycle. It brings things to an end in a formal and approved way. It ensures that all contractual obligations have been met, and finally, it successfully transfers the deliverables to the stakeholders.